Howdy y'all. So today I'm going to take a look at this iPod and give it a bit of a fix, because while it looks okay, you know, kind of like this, the second I do this, yeah, you can kind of see that the screen is a little bit sad. So I'm going to take out the screen and replace it with some extra parts that I have. Yeah. Well, it looks like it'd be a decent fit. So I've already done some modifications to this. I flash modded it with the cheapo way, and I think I replaced the battery too. But now the last part's just replace the screen. That seems like it fit in there very nicely. Oh, it's got a screen protector on it. Whoops, I'm dumb. Shiny. So when I first modded this thing, I originally put in this piece of paper with a bunch of electrical tape on it in order to insulate the thing between the board and this thing. But it's starting to be a little goopy, so I don't want it anymore. Instead, I'm just going to use this regular piece of paper folded over a couple times. Turns out I actually folded it too many times. But also I need to put that back in its place. Okay, now let's see if I broke it. Ooh, powering on. Ooh, that looks decent. Ah, there we go. No more crummy backlight. Perfect. Let's just put the thing back together. Cool. It looks like everything's working the way I want it to. Now I got a better screen, I got a different SD card in there, and I got a new battery. This thing is pretty much good to go. I'll end up keeping the original screen in case I ever come across 5th gen iPods that have a completely broken screen and I just need to test them. So always good to have these parts lying around. But yeah, that's it for now. Later, y'all.